cybersecurity or network security, which is a better career path. Cyber attacks pose issues for businesses in a variety of sectors, including hospitality, healthcare, and insurance. Hackers make use of vulnerabilities to get private information such as social security and credit card numbers, medical records, passwords, and trade secrets. Hackers may then auction this data to the highest bidder or demand a ransom from the firm from which it was stolen. Cybersecurity and network security is a profitable and expanding industry that focuses on safeguarding companies from digital assaults, making their data and networks secure. Cybersecurity and network security specialists identify vulnerabilities, propose software and hardware solutions to reduce risks, creating rules and processes to ensure security. How to start a career at cybersecurity? As more firms shift their activities online and cybercrime becomes more common, the demand from experienced cybersecurity experts is anticipated to increase mainly in the healthcare and financial sectors. The Bureau of Labor Statistics, for instance, indicates that employment growth for information security analysts will be 32% from 2018 to 2028. The cybersecurity industry offers a wide range of employment options. Information security analysts, chief information security officers, security architects, and security engineers are all possible professions. Here are the steps on how to become a cybersecurity analyst. Step 1. Obtain a bachelor's degree in cybersecurity, information technology, computer science, or closely related subject. Step 2. Participate in an internship to get experience in a computer-related area. Step 3. Obtain certification to gain unique credentials. Step 4. Pursue an entry-level career in general information technology or security. The typical annual income for information security analysts is $99,730, making this job more profitable than several others in the cybersecurity industry. Information security analysts' standard job tasks are similar to those of many other cybersecurity professions, such as installing and utilizing software, spotting security breaches, studying IT security trends, and proposing security upgrades. How to start a career at network security? A career in network security is a constantly developing one that necessitates the professional's ability to analyze network hazards and flaws. A network security professional's goal is to safeguard the organization's network infrastructure from both internal and external threats by developing and executing processes and policies. This profession may be suitable for network administrators, network security engineers or administrators, security analysts or operators, or anybody associated with network operations who want to upskill to do their job more successfully and efficiently. A career in network security begins with the foundations of networking, such as computer network principles, networking ideas, design, structure, communications, elements, technologies, devices, layers, and several others. Network security administrators protect a company's computer systems and data from both internal and external threats. Individuals who are good at problem solving and working as part of a team may find this job appealing. Academic training for the job differs, and many industry groups and manufacturers provide suitable certification alternatives. Required education. Associate or certificate degrees are suitable for entry-level positions. Bachelor's degrees are appropriate for furthering one's professional possibilities or advancing one's career. Certifications. EC Council Network Security Administrator (ENSA) certification or employer specific security certification. Salary. Network and computer systems administrators made a median income of $84,810 in May 2020, according to statistics from US Bureau of Labor Statistics (BLS). According to the BLS, many industries earned more than the national average in 2020, including computer and peripheral equipment manufacture, which cost more than $1,22,480 every year on average.